Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. And today in this video I am going to show you 3 tips which you can boost your CPU performance. So you just need to follow me. So the first method is you have to go to your start menu and type over there control panel. Now click on control panel and you have to find this option which is called power option. So once you have to find this option, you need to click there. After that you will get a screen like this. So in my case it is selected high performance. In your case if it is selected balanced, so you have to click on change plan setting under that balance option. So in this case in my case is selected high performance, so I will select change plan setting under high performance. Now go to change advanced settings, and once you have opened this window power option, you have to scroll down. You have to find the option which is called processor power management. So expand that option, and minimum processor stage could be 0 over there, and maximum processor seat should be 100. After that click on apply and then OK. The next option is you have to go to your start menu and click on this setting button over there. Now you have to click on system, and after that you have to scroll down from your left side corner and select over there storage. Now on the right side corner you have to scroll down, and after that you will get one option is called optimize driver. So click over there, and after that you have to select that driver which you want to optimize and click on optimize. It will take some time, so you have to wait a few seconds. So it is done. Mainly you have to do on your C drive. And the last one is you have to go to your my computer option, then right click on the blank area, this blank partition area, and click on properties. Now on the right side corner you will get an option like change settings. So once you have to find this option, click on this, and after that go to advanced tab. Now under performance tab you have to click on settings. Now what you have to do, you need to click on this adjust for best performance. After that click on apply and then OK. Basically it will disable your graphics mode in your Windows 10 or 11 computer. So I hope this small video will really help for you. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, and if you have any question then comment on the comment section. I will get the replies. See you on the next videos. Thank you.